Determining the best recipes can be highly subjective as it depends on personal taste preferences. However, here are some widely beloved and classic recipes from various cuisines around the world. Spaghetti carbonara, Italian. A classic Roman pasta dish with eggs, cheese, pancetta, and pepper. Chicken tikka masala, Indian. Marinated and grilled chicken served in a creamy tomato sauce. Sushi, Japanese. Vinegared rice, fish, and vegetables rolled in seaweed. Chocolate chip cookies, American. Soft and chewy cookies with chocolate chips. Beef bourguignon, French. A rich, slow-cooked beef stew with red wine, mushrooms, and onions. Guacamole, Mexican. Mashed avocados mixed with lime juice, cilantro, onions, and tomatoes. Pad Thai, Thai. Stir-fried rice noodles with shrimp or chicken, eggs, and peanuts. Moussaka, Greek. Layered casserole with eggplant, minced meat, and bechamel sauce. Hamburger, American. A ground beef patty in a bun with various toppings. Ramen, Japanese. Noodles in a savory broth with various toppings like eggs, pork, and vegetables. Paella, Spanish. A one-pan rice dish with saffron, seafood, and/or meat. Biryani, Indian. A flavorful rice dish cooked with spices, meat, and vegetables. Goulash, Hungarian. A hearty stew made with beef, paprika, and vegetables. Pho, Vietnamese. A fragrant noodle soup with beef or chicken, herbs, and lime. Tiramisu, Italian. A layered dessert of coffee-soaked ladyfingers, mascarpone cheese, and cocoa. Remember, what makes a recipe the best can vary from person to person. It's a good idea to explore different recipes and find what suits your taste buds best. Happy cooking!